Wow, bummer, dude. You have a time machine and somehow it got programmed to this crap diner?
crap, crap,
And somehow it got programmed to this crap diner? That's how people are here in the present, where we live. But don't get me wrong, I'd like to go back in time too. Maybe stop 9/11 or that creep who had sex on my shoe.
creep, creep,
Maybe stop 9/11 or that creep who had sex on my shoe. Wes and I currently packing in my bloomers. I'll go get thee a menu, my good man.
the,
I'll go get thee a menu, my good man.
Attention, everyone! Max and I have a little late night treat for you.
Don't say it all excited like that. Now,
excite, excite,
don't say it all excited like that. Now,
Max and I have a little late night treat for you.
don't say it all excited like that. Now when it's not drugs, Earl's gonna be pissed.
piss, piss,
Now when it's not drugs, Earl's gonna be pissed.
Max, chestnut.
What's with the sad face? Your horse is living it up at a fancy stable nearby.
fancy, fancy,
Your horse is living it up at a fancy stable nearby. Not gone to the great stud farm in the sky.
Did someone say stud farm?
stud, stud,
Did someone say stud farm?
Wow, you bounced back from your Sophie breakup pretty quick.
It was not a real breakup.
break up, break up,
It was not a real breakup. I will have her very soon again. Right now, I lay low and wait in bushes like determined jungle cat.
jungle, jungle,
Bushes like determined jungle cat.
Awesome, put me down for a Hayek, more storage space for candy.
Well, our party planner is the it guy in Manhattan. And tomorrow,
planner, planner,
well, our party planner is the it guy in Manhattan. And tomorrow, nice for our more adventurous customers. Also, for the uptight white people, we have the very, very vanilla, which
vanilla, vanilla,
people, we have the very, very vanilla, which I know it's best for our cupcake business. I do say that a lot, but I think it's kind of charming.
charm, charm,
But I think it's kind of charming. Max, we are making it. We've come a long way. We haven't used Starbucks napkins.
napkin, napkin,
We haven't used Starbucks napkins.
And ever since your big party planner meeting went bust, I was worried that you two girls might form a joint suicide pact.
packed, packed,
Girls might form a joint suicide pact. Oh, Matt, I love it when you're dirty.
Hey, how'd it go?
Well, according to my father's lawyer,
accord, accord,
according to my father's lawyer, why is he still the only news story out there?
Well, the good news is your hair is especially shiny today.
shiny, shiny,
Your hair is especially shiny today.
Not really, unless you were acting all prissy and demanding. There's a good chance I spit in your drink.
spit, spit,
There's a good chance I spit in your drink.
My fortune, my business career, my social life, my sweet, sweet horse.
Okay, take a nap. You're upset.
nap, nap,
Okay, take a nap. You're upset.
I say she has 300 good reasons. I mean, read these. These are like letters to the devil.
devil, devil,
They're like letters to the devil.
No, it's really hard to close it when you're in there. I've tried. Look, I know it's not even remotely close.
remotely, remotely,
Look, I know it's not even remotely close. Wall me.
Come on. All you need is a big glamorous party.
glamorous, glamorous,
Come on. All you need is a big glamorous party. Ooh, Hugh Jackman. Oh, I like to call him Huge Jackman because I bet he has a big penis.
penis, penis,
Because I bet she has a big penis.
As you can see, we haven't put the pool in yet. We'll get to it. Tree, grill, shovel, usual cast of characters.
shovel, shovel,
Tree, grill, shovel, usual cast of characters. Means no toothbrushing, and it's bad up in there. I'm pretty sure horses have a keen sense of smell.
keen, keen,
I'm pretty sure horses have a keen sense of smell.
Chestnut! Chestnut, hi, baby! Hi! How did he get here?
I went to Peach and told her.
peach, peach,
I went to Peach and told her.
Max, thank you so much. You brought me back to life.
Oh my God! Don't exhale on me. Your breath is like you went down on a Brussels sprout.
sprout, sprout,
Your breath is like you went down on a Brussels sprout.
Can you tell Max I'm here?
That depends. Are you still a two-timing bum?
bum, bum,
That depends. Are you still a two-timing bum?
Do me a favor and call Earl off. I may be on day 6 of my P90X, but I am no shape to take on a heavyweight like him.
heavyweight, heavyweight,
But I am no shape to take on a heavyweight like him. But I am no shape to take on a heavyweight like him.
It's okay, Earl. We're cool. Well, I am. He's just riding my fumes.
fume, fume,
Well, I am. He's just riding my fumes. Made it. He eats made it food now.
Well, obviously he's here to see you. Or else he won the award for biggest lying jerk in New York. And
jerk, jerk,
or else he won the award for biggest lying jerk in New York. And this
That's awesome, Max. That's awesome. It's just funny is that whenever I think of you in this diner. In that uniform.
diner, diner,
I think of you in this diner. In that uniform.
Why not me? Okay, maybe it's half no cherries, half Johnny.
cherry, cherry,
Okay, maybe it's half no cherries, half Johnny.